Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to find and manage downloaded files through your Mozilla Firefox web browser. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang select dito yung Open Applications menu. Ito yung tatlong lines. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung downloads. And then pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus G as in jar. Okay? So click mo na yung downloads. And then pop up ito. So makikita mo dito yung library. And then dito sa left side, nandito yung history. So pwede mong i-view yung history. Like yesterday, this month, March, or yung downloads naman, nandito makikita mo rin. Ito yung tags, yung all bookmarks. So, pwede mo naman i-view itong bookmark toolbar, bookmarks menu, and other bookmarks. So, dito sa download, dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung isang files natin na na-download ito siya. Right? So, pwede mo naman itong i-manage. So, right-click ka lang, and then pwede mo itong i-delete. Click mo lang itong delete. Ayan, so ganun lang po ka-simply on how to find and manage downloaded files in Mozilla Firefox. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.